Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we have another pick a card reading for you today. In today's pick a card reading, we're exploring what do they tell others about you. So this could be the person on your mind right now. Let's get into it. One guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome, T-Sippers. Yeah. So we have pile one, pile two, pile three. Okay, go to that number that's calling you. Because we have another singy songy, okay, message coming through. Okay, what do they tell others about you? But the little song that came through was oh I feel, no I feel for you. Oh I feel. So we are going to explore that because someone wants to come through in song. Okay, so before we begin, I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage, okay, to just so you can just stay hydrated as we gather those juicy intuitive gems. So if you are new here, welcome, come on in. Okay, come on in, like and subscribe, come and join the love and light family at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. And for the subscribers, one love, big up yourselves every time. So pile one, pile two, pile three. Okay. Hold that thought as we bring in some good energy into the reads. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you. All right. So, pile one, pile two, and pile three. We'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile one and we're exploring what do they tell others about you. Okay, so if you are new here, welcome, come on in. Okay, come on in. Hope you've got some a juice or some tea or some water, okay, or water, so as we gather these juicy intuitive gems. Okay, and for the subscribers, big up yourselves. Okay, like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, let's just get straight into it and let's see Wagwan. Okay, so what do they tell others about you? Okay, we have here seeing your name on my phone screen always brings a smile to my face. So when this person sees your name, okay, this is somebody that knows you, okay? This is somebody that has you on their mind. You could also have this person on your mind also. Now, we are pulling some intuitive, juicy gems from the crush deck, okay? But this person enjoys seeing your name, okay? Perhaps this person may have an iPhone, okay, but they enjoy seeing your name. And I feel like this person may have also created, or perhaps you could also be you, have created a little emoji. So every time when your name pops up, they also see your emoji, or perhaps it could be even a picture of you, okay? Ooh la la, okay? So I feel like this could be something like a a feeling of they've told somebody about how they feel. Okay, this is a message that's coming through, that they've told someone, but they almost feel kind of like guilty about kind of this, creating a kind of like a little kind of way of making sure that it's every time that they see your face or see your name pops up, it's something that they kind of treasure. But I feel like it's something that they have told somebody in confidence. Okay, something they've told this in confidence. Okay, so we're gonna have a look in this crush deck. Okay, but we're just exploring what could come through. This could be the person in your mind. This could be a current love interest. It could be a crush. Okay, but what do they tell others? We're going to have a look, okay? Because we're just exploring it through the person on your mind, okay? So let this person on your mind come out right now. And we are going to sing the song that came through. Oh, I feel. Yes, I feel. Yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, okay? Because this person does feel. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Okay. Okay, the message I'm getting is to take a good sip. Okay? Take a good sip. And apologies. Was really hoping to put out a lot this week, but was feeling very, very poorly. So I thought, I gotta get the energy. Right. Okay, so it can show up. Oh, look, two already want to come out, and we were just getting the deck. We're just warming up the deck. Hey, our conversations are my favorite part of the day. I cherish the moments when you let your guard down and share your thoughts with me. Share your ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. So let's bring in the song energy and see what wants to come through. Whoa, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Whoa, I feel, oh, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, Ooh, okay, last shuffle. Ooh, wee, ooh la la. Hey, we got quite a few messages coming through. Ooh, we should call this intuitive mail. Okay, let's keep that in. If you're gonna help me to remember that as well, put it in the comments down below. Okay, intuitive mail is here. I'm gonna quickly adjust the camera. I can see it a little moving a bit, and we need to gather all of these juicy gems. Okay, right, we have here your wisdom and insightfulness are qualities I greatly admire. So this person has a lot of feelings for you. Okay, there's a lot of feelings here. What do they tell others? Okay, they greatly admire this, and I feel like this person's face lights up when they see you, and perhaps you have even noticed this about them. Okay, these are the messages that are channeling through. Okay, we're channeling their thoughts right now. In my dreams, you are always there. Okay, filling my mind with sweet thoughts. Look at this. Okay, we have, hope you can see this clearly. I can't help but feel a rush of excitement every time I see your name pop up on my phone. Look at this. Hey, so this message is really coming through. This energy of their face lights up. Their energy just lifts. Okay, they feel uplifted when they see your name pop up on their phone. I feel like it's also they're attracted to your energy. Okay, there is a spark. Look at this. Attracted to your energy. Okay, there is a spark in your eyes that I find irresistible. Now, the song that's coming through, Okay, it's a song called Golden Touch. Golden Touch. It happens every time when you are around. I think it's something like that. It happens every time that you are around, 'cause you are so divine. Hey, I'm not sure who sung the original, but I do know the reggae version. Okay, by an artist called Shinehead. Shinehead. Okay. So if you do want to have a listen, okay, because I feel like there's a message as well in those. There's a message in the lyrics, okay. So if you do have a look it up. There's gonna be some lyrics, messages in the lyrics that resonate with you. I get nervous when you come close, as if you can hear my heartbeat, as if you can hear my heartbeat. Ooh, wee! I feel like this person may also kind of like perspire. They may start to sweat, okay, in intimate places, okay. I feel like they may get those kind of sensations, and I feel like they might be struggling, okay, with being around you, okay. Now perhaps you might be even sensing this yourself, okay. This could be perhaps you even feeling this way as well. But ooh la la, there's a lot of energy here. It's this sense of the way when you come into the room, you light things up. What you got going on? What you got? You need to come and tell us. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments, baby. Hey. Your laughter is the most beautiful sound to my ears. So this person likes the way you move. They like the way you groove. They like the way you look. They like the way you know, how you make them feel. And they like the way you laugh. Okay? Laughter is medicine. Okay? Laughter is medicine. And you are giving them... Ooh, another song's coming through, okay, by another reggae artist. Okay, a lot of reggae songs, soul, just any type of songs, can really come through. Okay, but at Wagwan Tarrant, we do have a bit of a Jamaican, flavor at Wagwan Tarrant, and how we explore divination, tarot, etc. Okay, so the message that's coming through is Gregory Isaacs. So we're going to explore that because it's kind of a song that alludes to some late night thoughts, okay? And the song is Night Nurse. Dun, 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 only you alone can quench this thirst, okay? Only you alone can quench this thirst. Only you alone can quench this thirst. So you know what that means? Let's pull out the late night thoughts. Let's pull out the late night thoughts. Okay. And see what wants to come through, because that message was really coming through. Okay. Pull out the late night thoughts. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna bring in that song, that energy. Ooh, if the message is, come on, bring it back. Feel. Okay, we said I feel. We have here their laughter again. Look at this energy. Their laughter echoes in my mind. Your presence is captivating. Okay, but it's carrying this energy of I need to know more. I want to know more. Okay, it's an energy of like they're invested in getting to know you. Okay, even if this person may have not fully come forward and express how they feel, they have very strong feelings here. Their laughter echoes in my mind, and I long to hear it again in the quiet of the night. Again, night nurse. Dun. Dun, dun, dun. Only you alone can quench this thirst. Only you alone can quench this thirst. Okay, this is the Jamaican style, okay, by Gregory Isaacs. Okay, rest in peace, Gregory Isaacs. But the energy here is only you alone can quench this thirst. Oh, wait. So you know what that means? Let's take a good sip of tea. I'm sipping on some green tea. Let us know what you sipping on. Only you alone can quench this thirst, eh? The last time, look, we have another message for you, okay? The last time I saw them smile, again, this energy about your laughter, your face, okay? The last time I saw them smile, it was as if the world was suddenly a brighter place. Again, it's this energy you uplift, and very uplifting energy, okay? A very enjoyable experience, okay, to be around you. You know how you can have some energies that can come and it's very exhausting, very tiring, very draining, and you're like, oh, this is not in line with my spirit. Your energy is carrying this energy that, ooh, I want to get to know you more, man. I want to get to know you more, man. What's your name, man? Where you be at? Where you be at? Okay, where can I call you? Where can I find you? Ooh, woo. Cause I feel like it's an energy you're vibing with one another, and they're feeling you, you're feeling them. Okay, the song that came through is I feel for you, okay? This strong energy of I feel for you. And we can see that they feel for you. Now I can see the late night is kind of like sliding, okay? It's almost like, think of someone's trying to slide into the DMs. Perhaps they could be trying to slide in, making contact with you. But we're gonna just look into another message here, because I feel like it wants to say, look, come on, we got one more. Okay, you see, we knew. Look at this one here. Let's have a look. We have the woo-wee. The way they wear that elegant dress makes me, woo, look at this. I told you there's an energy of the feeling. Makes me feel like I'm in the presence of a goddess. Again, only you alone can quench this thirst, baby. What have you got going on? What have you got? You got to put it in the comments and let us know what you got going on, because this person has some serious feelings for you. Okay, we have their bodies warmth. Woo! Ooh wee. And this could be in their subconscious, in their dreams, okay? If this has not been in reality, or perhaps it could even be like a hug or like an embrace in that kind of way, okay? But I feel like it's something that they enjoy or would love to enjoy, okay? It's a reminder, okay? So their body's warmth against mine is a reminder that we were meant to be entwined. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Okay? Ooh-wee. I feel like I might add that into the intuitive male. Ooh-wee. You've got intuitive male. Ooh-wee. 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 Yes, indeed. Now, let's go back to these messages. I love seeing you being passionate about the things that you love. So they love it. Love seeing you being passionate. Okay. Now I feel like you could have lots of hobbies, lots of interests, but I feel like when you talk and when you engage in these things and you talk about those things, I feel like you kind of, the message that's coming through is like you will just kind of be at ease in saying how you feel, and this allows this person, okay, that really feels for you to see it and then also feel inspired. And I feel like the messages they are telling others, okay, because we got so caught up on the juicy that we forgot to even, gather on like what they do tell others. But I feel like the messages of what they do tell others about you is that how impressed they are by you, how inspired they are by you, okay, how much they feel for you. Now I do feel like it could be they may have expressed this to people that they trust, okay? It could be like close loved ones. It could be also them saying they don't want to rock the boat because this, it could be maybe even early days, or perhaps it could be like, for some of you, maybe there could be like a friendship and not wanting to impact on this friendship. And for some, I feel like they just really feel. And I feel like perhaps this person, maybe even, you might be even communicating with this person already. Okay? Okay? Ooh, we have your kindness towards others is something I greatly respect. Again, this energy of feeling very inspired by you. Okay? Every glance you give me is a symphony. Every glance you give me is a symphony. And we have here, I secretly hope you feel the same chemistry. Again, you see? They really hope that you feel the same way too, okay? Your passion and dedication inspires me every day. Look at this. You see, your passion and dedication inspires me every day. This is someone who is very inspired by you, very okay. Like, I feel like this person could just cup their face in their hands, okay, like this, while, or their chin, or on the side of their face, and just sit and listen, and be in amazement by you. Every time I see you, my heart does a little dance, okay? Look at this. Every time I see you, my heart does a little dance. So, we got one more. My heart races whenever you are near, okay? And perhaps it could be a mutual feeling going on here. Mutual, okay? So we're going to look at the Jamaican proverb, and we're going to end this read with some tarot messages and some key tag messages. So, what do they tell others about you? Okay, what do they tell others? For the collective, you chose pile 1. Okay. We have wanty, can't get it. Getty, no want it. So want it, can't get it. Get it, no want it. Okay, so you want something so much, you can't get it, because you're not allowing the universe to say, okay, then you want this, all right. Do you trust? Do you trust that I can do this for you? All right, okay. Now you have something, and then the getty is the idea that you have something, but then you're not happy, or you're not pleased with what you have. So think of like the 4 of Cups. The 4 of Cups really is that energy of like a blessing coming your way, and really not being that person. Again, it's this energy of like, do you really want to be this guy? Okay. Now we have the 4 of Cups. Appreciate what you have. Don't block your blessings. Be thankful. Show gratitude. And I feel like you bring out this energy in this person to be thankful, be appreciative. Now I feel like this person has a strong energy of visualizing, dreaming, thinking about you, the 2 of you being together. Okay. However, I feel like there's also a fear attached that if you feel the same way, okay, and enjoying being with you, enjoying the experience of knowing you, listening to what you have to say, and has this fear of, if I say how I feel, perhaps you may not be interested, and this may cause some issues between us. And I feel like this person is really kind of having some kind of anxious feelings about that. And I feel like this could be something that they've also shared, okay, in confidence with others, okay. And I feel like it could be close friends or of loved ones sharing that, I don't want, if I try to advance, perhaps it might come across too much, and this might put kind of a stop, okay, in us getting to know one another. Let's have a look and see what the tarot wants to tell us, okay? So for the collective who chose pile one, what do they tell others about you? I hope you've been enjoying this read as much as I am. Okay. Okay, what do they tell others about you? Okay. Ooh, hey, we have the Queen of Swords. Now, I feel like the Queen of Swords, okay, the Queen of Swords can represent someone who's very sharp, very abrupt, very like straight to the points. Okay, we're gonna keep it real, okay? However, I feel like the energy that you are, I feel like the message that I'm getting intuitively is that it's a very intellectual, okay? Again, there's a strong energy about passionate, and I feel like there's an an intellectual entanglement that's coming through, and I feel like this person is drawn to your energy, drawn to your passionate ways, drawn to your ambitions, your dreams, okay? The conversations that you have, I feel like they're very deep and very meaningful, okay? And I feel like this person enjoys all of those things about you. However, I feel like with the Queen of Swords, it's also representing that they may also don't want to cross those boundaries, okay, of maybe taking it a leap further, thinking that perhaps it may create a dent in the current situation that you both have with one another, okay? But I feel like there's also this energy of still wanting to face that fear, even if it may mean that, they're putting themselves out there to, I'm kind of getting them energy, they're putting themselves out there to kind of on the shopping table, okay? Ooh wee! Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front and at the back. Okay, something in the middle wants to pop out. Do you see that? Let's have a look. We have the Ten of Swords. We have the Ten of Swords. So this is the feeling like, oh, if I go and tell, like, we're gonna call you Jane. What if I go and tell Jane how I feel, and then I'm just left like this, on the chopping table, and I've said all how I feel, and it goes terribly wrong. Okay, there's this energy here. Let's have a look at them in the front. We have the Queen of Cups. So there's this energy of nurturing, loving, kind, caring energy here that they're drawn to, they're attracted to, okay? But I feel like they also can recognize, perhaps you've had conversations where you're kind of like, I ain't taking no I ain't taking no rubbish around here, okay? And perhaps this could be something that, I feel like this person respects that, but it could also be that, like, an anxious feeling of, but maybe, what if it is that you don't see me in that light? And we have here, look at this. This is a lot of self-imposed kind of energy going on here. Like, this person also wants to open up. Okay, we can see this energy, and it's quite nice actually seeing it like this, because you can see the front, the back, and the middle, and it's this energy of like they want to open up. I feel like there could be very caring. Now we see very much strong female energy here. Okay, with the Queen of Swords, with the Queen of Cups. Okay, so I feel like there could be an energy. Perhaps this person may also come from a background or a culture where there may be a strong mother figure, or a strong maternal, or a figure of some sort, where they may have also, I feel like when it comes to talking and expressing how they feel, it may have been something that they have struggled with. However, coming across your energy, okay, with the Queen of Cups being here, perhaps you're helping them to open up a lot more. We also have the Nine of Wands in reverse, and this is kind of the energy of letting, kind of just being open, okay, because the energy represents, when it's upright, a defensive energy. This person's not wanting to be defensive. This person wants to open up. This person wants to get to know you more. Look at this. They want this energy with you. The Six of Wands represents harmony. It represents victory. It represents success. They want success with you, but there is a worry, okay, of what if I do say how I feel and it may go terribly wrong. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. But we're going to look at one more message for the collective with these key tags. So we're just going to place it here, just gather all those, the energies going on here. Okay. So if any of you have wondered, why not always put it on the table? It really helps to gather the energy. For the collective who chose pile 1, we have, you are my rock, my love. You are my rock, my love. Do you see that? They said, my love, my love. Okay. Ooh. Your laughter. Your laughter fills my soul with joy. You are the love I've been waiting for. You are the love I've been waiting for. You are the love of my life. Look at this. You are the love of my life. Can we meet up for coffee? Can we meet up for coffee? Every moment with you is precious. Every moment with you is precious. And last but not least, we got 2 more. I want to slow dance with you. Ooh, wait, intuitive male. Hey, okay, they want to slow dance with you. Ooh, what would be your slow dance song? Put it in the comments down below. Okay. Ooh, well, there's a song that's come through actually. It's a song by Bobby Brown, but I also like the reggae version by Frankie Paul. Okay, and it's, I wanna rock with you, baby, all night long. Let me hold you, baby, 'cause the feeling's strong. I wanna rock with you, baby. I think it's I wanna rock with you, lady. Okay, it's either rock with you, baby, or rock with you, lady. If you do know, put it in the comments down below. You are my best friend and lover. Now, this was the energy that was coming through. See that we said it's like this person may feel that they may be kind of stuck in this kind of energy of feeling this anxious feeling of they could want more, but then there's also not wanting it to things to go terribly wrong, and then not have kind of basically not have your presence. So I feel like this person is in this kind of, the word dichotomy is coming through, okay, of wanting you, but also, and wanting more, but also not wanting to lose what you currently have. Okay. Ooh, so we're gonna leave it right here. Take the messages that resonate and leave. You have to say it with power. Come and say it with me. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay, this is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy, because you got some passionate energy going on. Yes, girl, you got some energy going on. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, thank you for all your support, and see you on the next one. Do have a look at all of the other readings available, and wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan me generals. So we have pile 2, and we're exploring, what do they tell others about you? Yes, you, and only you. This could be the person in your mind. It could be a crush. It could be a love interest. Okay, it could be anyone. But we're going to explore and see what wants to come through. Okay, so if you are new here, welcome to Wagwan Tarot. Okay, please like and subscribe. Okay, come and join and come and get some vibes at Wagwan Tarot. And for the subscribers, big up, big up, big up. One love to you all every time. So I hope you got a nice beverage, a cup of tea. Okay, and we're gonna just get straight into it. Okay, I've got some green tea, so let us know what you are sipping on. And thank you for all of your support. Okay, was feeling quite poorly this week, so just wanted to just gather my energy so I could bring this feel good vibrational energy to you. All right, let's get straight to it. Okay, so we have here, I'm gonna adjust the camera. The camera keeps wanting to move for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna say, camera, come on, just bear with us. Okay, just bear with us. We're on power two. Okay, we haven't reached power three yet. We have, I feel an undeniable connection with you that goes beyond words. That goes beyond words. So this tells us there's an intuitive connection. There's a vibration between the two of you. Okay, could be an energy of two. Okay, the two of you kind of like balance one another out. Okay, so we're gonna explore. We're gonna explore further. So we are using the messages from the Crushed, okay, deck, and we're gonna just see what wants to come through. Now, again, we are exploring this person on your mind, okay, and what they tell others. So we already can see there's a message here of how they feel, okay, and this could be what they're sharing with others. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. So the message is, take a big sip of green tea. So we're going to take a good sip of green tea. What are you sipping on today? Let us know. Put it in the comments. Okay, right. And we're going to bring in that song energy to let this flow. Okay, we're just warming up the deck. All right. Whoa, I feel, yes I feel, yes I feel for you. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel, oh, I feel, yes I feel, yes I feel for you. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel, oh, I feel, woo! Woo! Yes, I feel for you. Last shuffle. Woo, I feel. Woo, I feel. Okay, last shuffle. Wow, we did say we was warming up the deck. And look at all these juicy, juicy, intuitive gems that came out for the collective who chose pile 2. Okay. Hey, we have here, I'm always excited. I'm always excited to learn more about your interests and hobbies. So this person is drawn to just learning more about you. Okay. Then the songs that's coming through, I don't know who the artist is, but if you do know, put it in the comments down below. The song goes something like, two people got to live with each other. Okay, two people. Okay, two spirits. Got to be each other. I don't know if it's Minnie Riperton, okay, or someone else. I could be wrong. Put in the comments down below if you do know. Okay. Your gentle nature is something I truly admire. So they're drawn to your nature. There's an energy of your nature. Perhaps you could be an earth sign, okay? Or you could have or carry that earthy energy. And when we say earth sign, think of Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Okay, I feel like it's a Virgo, and I'm getting like a message of like a Virgo. For some of you, could be like a strong Virgo energy here. We have the energy between us is undeniable. almost magnetic, okay? Now the song that's coming through, it comes from a soundtrack, The Woman in Red by Stevie Wonder. The woman in red, the woman in red, the woman in red. So there's something about, you know, the woman in red. Perhaps you have worn red. Could be like red lipsticks, red lipstick, a red dress, something red, okay, that they are attracted to. Perhaps you have red hair. Every glance you give me is something, every glance you give me is a symphony. So this message did come through in song, okay? Now, messages can come through many forms, through song, through words, through images, okay? And I just like to just embrace how the messages want to come through for the collective. But this person enjoys music. Music is like the message that's coming through is like, you are the music to my ears. There's a strong energy of you kind of bring out this musical energy in this person, okay? And music can really uplift one's spirit, make you feel good, and I feel like this is the energy that you carry, that same energy, okay, that music does to this person as well, okay? Now the message is another song's coming through, okay? We've got Bob Marley here, and the lyrics are something about music. When it hits you, if you feel no pain, okay? Something about music. When it hits you, feel no pain. You feel no pain. This is how you make this person feel, okay? So hit me with music. Hit me with music. Hit me with you, baby. Ooh la la. Oy, 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 oy. Hey, hey. Can you feel the electricity between us two? Can you feel it? Can you feel the electricity? Can you feel it? Okay. Now, I feel like this person's, perhaps their hairs, the little hairs on their skin kind of goes up, okay? Goes up every time they see you. Perhaps you may even have embraced or one another, maybe through a hug, or they could have had some kind of static electricity between you, okay? Every encounter with you leaves me wanting more. Every encounter leaves me wanting more. When you are near, everything else seems to fade away. Okay? Everything else seems to fade away. I can't help but smile every time I think about you. I often find myself lost in the depth of your eyes. So I feel like this person is telling others how they feel. Okay, I feel like they try to keep it, or maybe on a diplomatic, on a kind of like trying to kind of just saying how they feel. But I feel like the in like feeling lost in the depth. I don't feel like they are kind of giving all that away, but I feel like what the person that they are telling this to is sensing that, oh, you really feel for this person, don't you? Okay. And another song that's come through, okay, so a lot of messages coming through here. Again, this person did say they, when they think of you, it's like a symphony. Okay, I'm getting Shaka Khan. Okay, I feel for you. I think I love you. I feel for you. I think I love you. I feel like this is what others are thinking about when, or what they're thinking when this person, okay, is telling them how they feel about you. Okay, I yearn for the day when our casual conversations turn into something more. Okay, the way your eyes light up when you are excited is enchanting. It's enchanting. They're drawn to it. I find my thoughts drifting towards you in the quiet moments of the day. Okay, I find my thoughts drifting towards the quiet moments, okay, towards you in the quiet moments. So this, I wouldn't be surprised if a late night message comes through, because we can see this person is, they have a lot of, like, this person that could daydreams a lot, thinks about you. Perhaps it's even like when they're just getting on with their day to day or in their work, and the thought of you pops to mind. And I feel like it could be that they have to try, and there's a message of like, this person always has to like straighten their composure, trying to fix themselves. Okay, perhaps this could be someone that you see on a day to day, because we have I get nervous. I get nervous when you come close to me, as if you can hear my heartbeat, as if you can hear my heartbeat. And it could be this like fear of thinking, oh, you might see me sweat, you might see me, I might be giving it away. I feel like this person could be so caught up in their mind as well, thinking, oh, am I giving it away? Am I, oh, if I did give it away, did I've given it away? And hoping one day maybe they might feel the same about me. Again, those casual conversations, hoping those casual conversations can grow into something more meaningful. Okay. Again, the energy of two, hoping that, the two of you see one another in the same wavelength. Our conversations are my favorite part of the day. So this person on your mind, okay, or this person really coming through right now, they enjoy these conversations that you are having with one another. Okay, they enjoy them. Your creativity and imagination leaves me in awe. So you leave them in awe. Okay, it's hard. It's hard to focus on anything else when you are in the room. When you are in the room, it's hard. It's hard to focus on anything. I wish I could tell you how much I admire your strength and intelligence. I feel again, this, okay? I feel for you, okay? I feel like I could talk to you for hours and never get bored, never get bored. The way you passionately talk about your hobbies is endearing, okay? Your optimism is contagious and always brightens up my mood. So it always brightens my mood. The connection between us feels deeper than words can express. Now, there was a similar message that came out in the beginning about words. Okay, it's like an intuitive connection, an energy connection, a vibe, a feeling, a frequency between the two of you. Okay, every time I think of you, my day gets a little bit brighter every time. Your kindness and compassion are traits that I greatly admire. So this person has a lot of feelings, okay? Lots of feelings of affection. I'm drawn to your zest for life and your adventurous spirit. So they're drawn to you. Again, see this energy? Okay, it's drawn to your adventurous spirit. I feel a strong pull towards you, and it's more than just the physical attraction. So for this read for the collective who chose pile 2, we're gonna move into their higher self. We're gonna look into their higher self. We're gonna look into the messages of the divine masculine, okay, and yes, we're going to look into the divine masculine wanting to give messages to the divine feminine, and so it has messages of hobbies and interests, things they may want to say to you right now. Okay, so let's have a look and see what wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. Okay, what do they tell others about you? Okay, but also more importantly, pull out messages of words or things that they want to say to you, okay, that they haven't expressed in their day to day. Okay, release the messages from their higher self that they want you to know right now. Okay, I'm going to take a good sip of tea. Okay, I've got green tea. Let us know what you're sipping on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And put it in the comments down below, okay? What's going on? Okay. Right, so we're just going to bring the song energy in. Oh, feel, yes, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel, oh, I feel, yes, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel. Okay, last shuffle. Thank you. So we have here. Although I need to clear my throat. Excuse me. Okay. I was trying to sing, hold that note, but I could feel a cough needed to come through. So we have, I long to explore every corner of your mind and your heart. These are the messages from their high self, okay? Thrill seeker, adrenaline seeker. So this could be something that they're drawn to your adventurous spirit, they're drawn to your energy, they're drawn to the frequency that the way you move and groove, because it's also something that it, it's also resonating with their own energy, okay? This person could be ambitious driven. They could also admire that you are ambitious driven and you have a lot of plans, or you've talked about goals and things that you are working on, okay, and striving for. You have a way of making me feel safe and understood. So I feel like this could also be you're connecting to them on a deep level. Let's call it their inner child. You are connecting to their inner child level, okay? Where it's that feeling of always wanting to as the inner child, it's all about feeling safe, feeling understood, feeling secure, and you're connecting to them. And perhaps it's also that energy of the adventurer, okay, that is appealing, it's attractive, okay, they're drawn to that energy. And I feel like this person wants to have moments where, day to day you have to do serious stuff, but then also, after the day job is done, doing lots of fun things, excitement, okay, joy. And I feel like this person really wants to connect with someone where they can really enjoy life. And the message this, I feel like it's a very grown vibe, okay, like grown people vibes, okay. But I feel like this person wants to do lots of fun things with you, okay, and hopes that it can really grow into something meaningful. Let's look at this here. I imagine a future with you, and it fills me with hope and excitement. Hope and excitement. So I feel like this person is very much about like wishing, okay? Wishing on a star, okay? We have here social and outgoing parties and gatherings. Perhaps this could be something that they want to do with you. It could also be where you know this person, or you've met this person, or you've both gone out together, okay. But there's something very significant, okay, here. I feel like it could be, again, perhaps something to do with the way you dress, the energy, the vibe, okay, laughter, enjoying one another's company, okay. We have avid sports fan and specific team. So there could be a specific team, okay, that perhaps you both have a mutual connection to, okay. It could also be something that they, maybe like a sports team or something that they enjoy, okay, and would love for you to kind of celebrate that with them. We have Nate, look at this. We have nature lover. Okay, so I feel like this person could also have this mutual connection to enjoy nature. Perhaps the two of you could both be earth signs, okay? Or this person could be attracted to your earth sign, or this person could be an air sign or a water sign. Perhaps it could be any sign, but I feel like could be a strong earth energy here, okay? I love everything about you. Look at this. Look at this. I love everything about you. And this person could also be passionate about photography, okay? Or they could be passionate about the images they see about you, okay? Well, perhaps this person could be connected on your social media. Ooh la la. Okay. So let's have a look now at the Jamaican proverb and see what wants to come through. So for the collective who chose pile 2, reveal the Jamaican proverb that really resonates with the messages coming through here. What do they tell others about you? Okay, so it can just give us some additional information. So what do they tell others about you? What do they tell others about you? We've got a lot of shaking going on. When a man's belly's full, he broke the pot. Oh, this is a good one. Ooh, wee. So when a man's belly is full, him broke pot. Okay, in the Jamaican style. When a man's belly full, him broke pot. When a man's belly full, him broke the pot. When a man's belly's full, when a man's belly full, him broke pot. And this is the idea that when someone is content, they don't want anything else because they're content. They're happy with what they have. They're happy with what they receive. They're happy with what they got. And they see this in you. They see this energy of being content when being around you. They see this energy of balance when being around you. Now we saw the power of 2 here, okay? And that 2 is a connection. A 2 is having this mutual vibe. They're content with that mutual vibe, that mutual energy, that mutual frequency that you both have, okay? Again, this energy of more than words. It's this intuitive connection. Perhaps they can't even fully explain it, but they know that when they are near you, they just they feel good. Again, the message came through in song. Oh, I feel, yes, I feel. They feel for you, okay? Being satisfied, okay? Sometimes we can forget the little things. Be present and be thankful for our blessings, daily gratitude. And there is this energy that this person is thankful. They have this energy of, I'm content. I love everything about you. I love everything about you. Okay? Your hobbies, your interests. Okay? And I feel like this is what others are sensing. People are noticing this, okay? And perhaps they are even noticing or becoming more self-aware that they are attracted to you, okay? I feel like perhaps intuitively you can also sense this as well, okay? And just looking for clarification. Well, here's your clarification. Here's your clarification. Okay? Ooh-wee. So we're going to end this read with some key tags, messages, okay? Let's see what's to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. What do they tell others about you? But we're just kind of looking at some lasting messages that they want you to know right now. Nice shuffle, bringing that energy into the bag. And we're going to pull. Yes, thank you. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through. So we have, I can't resist the sweetness of your smile. I can't resist the sweetness of your smile. Your happiness means the world to me. You make my heart race. Look at this. You make my heart race with excitement. Ooh, wee. You are so sexy. Ooh, wait, damn. Ooh, damn, you fine, you fine. Every moment with you is precious. Every moment with you is precious. Our love story is written in the stars. Again, this message came through about the stars, wishing on the star, wishing on a star. Okay, this is what they're hoping, wishing on a star. We have here, you bring out, you bring out my inner child. Okay, look at this message, it really came through. You bring out their inner child. We got intuitive male here. Okay, all of these gems are intuitive male. I always choose you. I will always choose you. I want to wake up with you. Ooh wee. Okay, there's a song coming through by Boris Gardner, a reggae artist, and it's called I Want to Wake Up With You. I want to wake up with you, baby. I want you to be the first thing that I see. I want to wake up with you. Ooh, they want to wake up with you. Your presence is a ray of sunshine. Your presence is a ray of sunshine. Our connection is undeniable. Our connection is undeniable. I'm grateful for your forgiveness. I'm grateful for your forgiveness. So we're going to clarify this message. Ooh, we rewind. Just realize we ain't got the tarot, okay? So we're gonna use the clarification here as well. You are my greatest joy. You are my greatest joy. I'm grateful for your love. I'm grateful for your love. I'm lucky to have you in my life. And I feel like this is this energy of content. Okay? I'm lucky to have you in my life. My intuition is telling me, look at this. My intuition is telling me, you know how I feel. You know how I feel. And I can't hide it. Okay? All right. So let's pull it out the tarot now and see what messages want to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. What do they tell others about you? This is what we're exploring, okay, in today's read. Okay? Let's bring some of that energy. Yes, I feel. Yes, I feel. Yes, I feel for you. Whoa, I feel. Ooh, look at this. Okay, a lot of shaking going on today. We have the Three of Pentacles. So again, an energy of the earth sign is here. The Pentacles represents the earth energy, okay? Or the earth zodiac signs. So think of Virgo, think of the Capricorn and the Taurus. So this can also represent the energy of perhaps this could be someone that you know in a work environment. It could be this person is talking about how they feel to others, okay? And they could be kind of like trying to weigh up everything and say, you know, this is how I feel. Should I confess? Should I go and say how I feel? And it could also be perhaps others are noticing how this person is around you when they are trying to kind of, let's say this could be this person, you know, that is kind of watching you, okay? And this person could be noticing that. Do you see that eye? Look at that eye. They're like, hold on. They keep looking at, you know, John keeps looking at Jane. And he's like, what's going on between John and Jane? Okay, so I feel like someone is sensing and recognizing it. And John is trying to, look at that. John is trying to like try and keep his composure, but it's kind of clear that, yeah, there's something going on between you two. We have, yes, the 10 of Wands. The 10 of Wands is like, I feel like this person could have maybe been had, in that they are thinking, oh my gosh, like, I, I don't think I can contain this anymore. You probably are noticing it. You probably are sensing it. Perhaps your intuition is kind of like saying, yep, something, this person, I do have feelings. Okay. We have, yes, because look at that. Look at this feel. Look at this energy. This could be like the Six of Swords coming through in the middle. It could be an energy of like this person is also may have some worries about you moving away or not feeling the same way. It could also be this person may have an energy of shyness about them. Okay, so it's like there's an energy of content, but there could be this energy of kind of, if the there's a saying, if the world could open up and take them to kind of hide or bury their feeling of shame, or feeling of like awkwardness, or feeling of embarrassment, okay, but at the same time enjoys being around you, okay. And we have the Four of Wands here. So the Four of Wands, is this energy of this person has lots of visions, okay, of where they want this to go. They would really love this to blossom into something beautiful, okay, and hoping that it's mutual, hoping that you both want the same things, okay, that you both want the same things, okay. So we're going to clarify, I'm grateful for your forgiveness. Let's see what's going on with here. Why is I'm grateful for your forgiveness here? Okay. Why is that here? I'm grateful for your forgiveness. I'm grateful for your forgiveness. Why is this here? Why is it here? Okay, so we have the Eight of Cups being here. Eight of Cups being here. And we have the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So there's a water energy with the cups, and there is a earth energy here. So I feel like perhaps this energy coming through, it could be someone from the past. It could be someone who wants to seek a reconciliation with you, okay? Because this could be anyone, a crush, a current love interest, could be someone from your recent past, okay? And I feel like it could be someone who wants things, maybe has regrets of walking away or not saying how they felt, and perhaps kind of just left things not in a way where nothing was kind of really taking place. Because we have look at this. We have the Four of Wands. So the Four of Wands is they want something meaningful. They want something beautiful between the both of you. Okay, between the two of you. But we have the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. And again, strong energy of earth. Okay, we have the fire coming through. Okay, so it could be any signs. Okay, you could be any signs. But I feel like the Queen of Pentacles is like, this could be this person regrets the energy that you carry. They regret this energy. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles is someone who is resourceful, okay, very talented, very skilled, and also carry this energy of it's kind of has this humble, not really boastful about how talented they are, okay? They kind of let the work just speak for itself. But I feel like this is someone who, I feel like it's definitely a past energy who has regrets, okay? Because we have a message here, look at this, with the King of Cups in reverse. This person has strong regrets, okay? There's strong regrets, and I feel like perhaps this person walked away and now realizes, wow, in that moment of walking away, I let everything go. I let everything go. And Now I can see something trying to come through. Look at that, that's the Chariot. Now they want to come back and return. Again, this is energy of the Cancer, the Chariot. So there's strong energy, strong water energy of someone really wanting to come and return. Okay. And perhaps that's what they could be telling others as well. That saying that they want to come towards you. Again, everyone has free will. So trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. But what do they tell others about you? We can see they want something meaningful with you. So we're going to leave it here. But for the collective who chose power to, take the messages that resonate and leave. You have to say it with power. Come and say it with me. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay? I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to tap into that beautiful energy that you have. Okay? Okay? Feel good, look good. Okay? Be IRIE as you possibly can. Okay? Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and do have a watch of all of the other readings available at Wagwan Tarot, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for all of your support, and Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me general. So we are on pile 3 and we're exploring what do they tell others about you. Now this could be the person on your mind right now, but we're going to explore what do they tell others about you. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or beverage or some snacks as we gather these juicy intuitive gems. Okay, and if you are new here, welcome, welcome. The more the merrier. Okay, and for the subscribers, big up to yourselves, and one love. So I hope you give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps the algorithm to know there are people like you, okay, generals, tea sippers, okay, like you, who love content like this. So let's get straight into it and see Wagwan. Wagwan simply means what is going on. Okay, and we're on pile 3. Okay, so we have okay. The song that did come through, okay, is oh I feel, yes I feel, yes I feel for you. Oh I feel. Okay, yes, oh I feel. Okay, look, it's come through in pile 3. Now I'm gonna take a good sip of green tea. Let us know what you're sipping on. Put it in the comments down below. I feel your absence, even in a crowded room. Now I need to get some hydration because I know those intuitive gems want to flow. Okay, I feel your absence, even in a crowded room. Okay, so I feel like you may just know this person in a work environment. You may know this person through like mutual friends, or it could be some kind of hobby or interest that you both share. Okay, but I feel like this person looks forward to seeing you. Okay, they look forward to seeing you in a particular place, and I feel like they really feel it when they can't see you, and it's almost like looking for your face. Okay, in things, in places. Okay, look at this. Ooh wee. So we're gonna look into some more messages. Okay, this is the crush feelings deck, the messages from the crush, but we're going to explore this because this could be anyone. Okay, and we're going to see what those feelings, okay, what feelings come to mind when they think of you. Okay, what do they tell others about you? And we can kind of see, I feel like this person is sharing how you make them feel. Okay, the song from Michael Jackson, The way you make me feel. Okay, the way you make me feel. Okay, you bring out some feelings. Okay, so let's see what wants to come through, and we're gonna channel in. Okay, we're channeling their thoughts and bringing these channeled messages in to the read. Okay, so let's see what channeled messages want to come through. Okay, we're gonna call it intuitive male. Okay, intuitive male. Okay, let's see what current energies want to come through, and we're gonna bring in that message that came through in song. Okay. Oh, yes, I feel, yeah, I feel, yeah, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, yes, I feel. Okay, let's see. Warming up the deck now. Warming up the deck. See what wants to come through for the collective. Okay. Oh, I feel, yes, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel. Oh, something's popping up, okay? Let it come out. Oh, I feel, yes, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel, yes, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Oh, I feel like I want to come out. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel. Okay, last shuffle. Thank you. Okay. So let's gather these juicy, intuitive gems. Okay, we've got some intuitive mail. Oi, 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 oi. Okay. So when we sing the little oi, 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 that's a message of like, yes, intuitive gems are here. Intuitive male are here. Okay. I get nervous when you come close, as if you can hear my heartbeat, as if you can hear my heartbeat. Okay, so this message kind of came through in all of the reads. Okay, so you might want to just look at pile one, pile two, okay, and pile two. And it's a message of like, this person may feel flustered, they may feel like they always want to kind of straighten their posture. Okay, they feel kind of sweaty. Okay, when you are near, their heart races. Okay, it could also be like they're kind of like, if they know you're around, trying to check themselves. Okay, or maybe pop to the bathroom. Okay, to kind of just freshen up a bit. Perhaps it could be a mutual energy that you both do it. Okay, now we have this energy of seeing your name. This came through in power one. Okay, seeing your name on my phone screen always brings a smile to my face. Okay, so this is somebody that you know. Okay, know enough that numbers have been exchanged. Okay, there could be some messages going back and forth. Okay, but there's this energy of they're drawn to you. Okay, perhaps they have an emoji of your face. Okay, so every time that your name pops up, they always see that emoji, and it always brings back those kind of like memories or thoughts of you. Okay, we have, I notice every little detail about you, your style and your mannerisms. So they are very observant. Okay, perhaps you have noticed this as well, that they are very drawn to your energy. They're very observant of the things that you say, the things that you do. I feel like this person is also values like moral upstanding. Perhaps they can be quite traditional. I feel like I feel like they may have a reserved way about them, but also is open to learning new things, open to trying new things. But I feel like they're drawn to this energy of your style, okay? And I feel like that could be a way of how, through style, okay, through personality, is a way that you can express yourself. And I feel like this person is drawn to that, to your character, okay? We have the way you passionately talk about your hobbies is endearing. Okay, the way you passionately Okay, talk about your hobbies is endearing. Okay, so there's a strong energy of being very attracted, very drawn, very inspired by you. Okay, your laughter is my favorite melody. It echoes in my mind long after you are gone. So, again, this energy of really enjoying your presence, okay? Now, it has fallen on the pile number three. Now, pile number three, okay, or number three, okay, in numerology can represent the energy of growth. It can represent the energy of expansion, but this is also the energy of the Empress, okay? And I feel like you carry this Empress energy everywhere you go, and they're drawn to your energy, they're attracted to your energy, okay? You have very much a fertile energy, okay? Ooh la la. My heart races whenever you are near. My heart races whenever you are near. Now, we saw this earlier about this energy of perhaps this person wants to straighten up themselves when you are near, okay? Fix themselves, maybe do a quick check in the mirror or a quick check on do a quick selfie. Okay, perhaps this could be something that you do as well when this person is near. Just want to making sure that everything is together, you know, putting your hair to one side, so just making sure you look nice and cute, okay? Now, going back to what they tell others about you, I feel like there's a message here of this person is telling others how they feel. But I feel like the message that's coming in also is the who they're telling is also telling them that they've noticed that every time they talk about you, their face lights up. They can see it in their body language. So I feel like this person may not be so expressive to when they are sharing. However, I feel like the others around them, like close loved ones, friends, are noticing every time when they are about to talk about you or say something about you, their body language gives it away. Now, this could be something that you've noticed as well. This could be something you've noticed as well about this person, that their composure, they're always trying to look the part, okay? Not in a kind of like an egotistical way, but it's just that it's that the idea of like someone who's special has walked into the room and they just want to just look together, you know, look neat. And I feel like this is kind of the energy that you carry. Now, again, the energy of three is bringing this Empress energy. So, this could be the energy that you are carrying right now, okay? The way you move, the way you groove, okay? It's bringing this Empress energy. Someone to be adorned, someone to be loved, someone to be cherished, someone to be respected. And I feel like this could be the energy that this person feels for you, and others around them are noticing it as well. I wish, look at this. I wish I could tell you how much I admire your strength and intelligence. So they are drawn to you, baby. They are drawn. They are drawn. They are drawn. They are drawn. They are truly attractive to you. Okay? I can't help but smile every time I think about you. So every time I think about you, I can't help but smile. So there's a strong energy here that every time they think about you, that's all they want to do. They can't help themselves. They can't help. Perhaps it could be like, I feel like their muscles, it's like they may have involuntary kind of like muscle reflexes where they can't stop the smile. Like even if they want to, like just and perhaps they might be even overthinking, thinking, I hope you're not, I hope Jane is not thinking, why am I smiling all the time? Okay, but I feel like it's just the energy. It's like an instinct or like a natural habit when they see you. Okay, it just lightens up their face. Okay, and again, That's the message. There's a clue, there's a massive clue here. Okay, intuitive male. Okay, the clue here is their body language. Their body language gives them away, and others, what they tell others is not so much what they tell others, it's what others see about them that gives them away. We communicate in many forms, verbal and non-verbal. Okay, the non-verbal is also part of that intuitive, you know, communication. The non-verbal is also part of our observing our body language. What is our eyes saying? What is our body saying? And this is what others are recognizing. This could be also be something you've recognized in this person, and you're looking for clarity here. Well, here's your clarity. Okay, here's your intuitive juicy gems. Okay, the body language is the dead giveaway. Okay, look at this here. Here's a message, their body language. Okay, can you feel the electricity between us two? Here's a dead giveaway here. They're really trying to give you a clue. Okay, so we're going to look into their higher self for some more additional clues. Okay, because I feel like the higher self, look into the higher self, look into the divine masculine. Okay, and the messages they want to give to you as a divine feminine will really help us to just get some additional clues about this person. Okay, so let's pull out the divine masculine and the higher self. So messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine to the DM to the DF deck. Okay, and see what channeled thoughts want to come through from their higher self. Okay, so let's, okay, look at that. We were just warming up the deck, baby. We're just warming up the deck. Okay, we're just warming up the deck. Okay, we're gonna bring in that energy of the song that came through. Okay, because this person has a lot of feelings. Okay, and it's a lot of non-verbal, a lot of body. Okay, the way their body, okay, has this kind of habit of just wanting to smile, wanting to just embrace, check, see where you are in the room. Okay, there's this energy coming through. Okay, so let's just bring the song through. Whoa, I feel, yes I feel, yes I feel for you. Whoa, I feel, whoa, I feel. Let's see what wants to come through. Ooh wee, yes, come on, baby. Flow like a river, baby. Woo wee, flow like a river, flow like a river, flow like a river. Okay, speak to your love interest right now. Tell them what's on your mind. Tell them what's on your mind. Okay, let your higher self flow like a river, flow like a river. Okay, last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Ooh. We have all this intuitive gems coming through. Okay, so let's gather all these messages and see what's here for you. Okay, so this is a good time to get a little sip, okay, on your tea. So I've got some green tea. Let us know what you are sipping on. Oh, I can see the late nights coming out. So you know what? We're gonna just pull out the late nights as well, because I feel it's like trying to slide in. Okay, so let's bring in one message from from the late night thoughts. Okay, what do they think? Okay, their late night thoughts, their subconscious. Oh, thank you. So we have 3 messages. Thank you. Ooh, their kisses are like a symphony of desire, leaving me wanting more. So this could be in their subconscious, their dreams. It could be their thoughts of you if this hasn't been done already. Okay. Ooh, they have a way, they have this way of glancing at me that sends a rush of butterflies through my stomach. Oh my. So again, there's this energy of their body language, okay? The body language is a massive clue here about this person. We have, in their arms, I find a haven where vulnerability is embraced and celebrated. So this person wants to, the power free, grow with you. They want to feel that ease, feel comfortable, to connect, say how they feel. Now, again, you are carrying this Empress energy, and this Empress energy is an energy of nurturing, loving, okay, blossoming energy, and they want this with you. They want to embrace that with you. So now let's look into the higher self and see what wants to come through. We have, I imagine a future with you. Look at this. I imagine a future with you, and it fills me. It fills me with hope and excitement. With hope and excitement. Okay? The message is coming through is wishing on a star. Now, this came through in pile two. So, pile one and pile two do have a lot of significant gems, okay? I can't wait to see where our journey together takes us. See this energy of wanting things to expand. I find myself thinking about you when doing everyday tasks. Now, I feel like this person could also be telepathically connecting with you through their thoughts, okay? They could be channeling, like through their channeled thoughts, they could be channeling messages or sending you love messages your way, okay? Perhaps you could be noticing that you are, when you're doing most like monotonous, mundane things, okay? Just, things that we have to do through life, okay? Chores, cleaning, all those kind of like boring stuff, okay? This is when their thoughts of them come to mind, okay? Because they could also be doing those mundane things, and all they think of is you, okay? Fitness enthusiast. Now, this could be where you know this person. It could also be perhaps you both have a mutual interest, okay? And looking good, feeling good, all of those things, okay? All of those things that we should all be working towards, okay? And making a routine of. However, I feel like this person may also want to look good when you're around, okay? And perhaps it could be vice versa. You both feel that way. We have here social and outgoing parties and gatherings. Now, I believe this came out for pile two, okay? So this could be a clue of where you know this person. So you may have had some may have been in some gatherings together, okay, whether it could be of mutual friends, it could be perhaps you've known this person from a particular meeting, or it could be something. I feel like there's something very significant, okay, perhaps something that you wore, okay, and I feel like this person, it kind of has strong memories of that particular night. Ooh la la. We have strong and capable hands. Okay, so there's a clue here. I feel like this, again, there's a lot of like physical features, body language really coming through here. Cooking, okay? So this person could be a foodie, okay? Enjoys their culinary skills. Could be something that you've both had a conversation about, okay? It could be something that you both have a hobby or interest in, okay? Trying new things, exploring new things. Now, food is a great way to explore, it's a great way to try new things, and I feel like this could be like something that they're very passionate about, and it could be something that you're both passionate about, okay? We have, I find solace, okay, in your arms. They feel like home. Now, we saw a message, similar message, okay, in the late night thoughts, okay, in their subconscious, in their dreams. So this could be something that they really dream about. It could be something they daydream about. It could be perhaps moments when you've had hugs or embrace, okay? It could be things that they yearn for. It could be things that they yearn to have that body body language connection. Now, I feel like this person, it could be one of their love languages, okay, to have that physical connection, okay, physical touch, okay. We have expressive eyebrows. So again, the strong energy of the body communicating, okay? They're using their body to communicate how they truly feel. Now, I feel like this could also be a message from when they are telling others eyebrows are raising, and they might be the eyebrows could also be like a way of intuitively communicating and recognizing that, no, John, you really feel for Jane, don't you? We can tell. And it's that eyebrow raise, okay, where perhaps it could be even a side eye moment where they're like, yeah, I can tell you feel, I can tell. We have science and technology geek. Now, perhaps this person could be into tech, okay? Tech is something that is growing. You know, we have all these different tools, AI tools, all these different things, okay? And this could be something that they are into. It could be something that perhaps this again with science and tech, okay? Perhaps this person is very good in these particular skills and verbal communication. I'm getting the message that perhaps they could be more on the introverted side, okay? And are perhaps drawn to those kind of roles or jobs or occupations. We have distinctive tattoos. So there's something very distinctive, okay? I appreciate the way you look at me like I'm the only one in the room when I have something to say. So I feel like this person is drawn to this energy. Now we again we said the earlier, you carry the energy of the Empress, and the Empress energy is someone who's nurturing, loving, okay? It's like letting someone in and saying, yes, okay. And I think of the Empress, okay, it's this energy of, come on, baby, you're all right, baby. Okay, I feel like it's someone who's just, come on, babe, you're fine, you'll be fine here. Someone who's nurturing, someone who's loving, okay, someone who, creates a safe space. And I feel like they feel safe with you, okay? I can't help, look at this. I can't help but feel a sense of protectiveness towards you. I feel like the energy that you carry, it makes them want to feel safe, but also it makes them want to give that same energy in return. And we did see strong, capable hands, and I feel like that could be the energy of perhaps if you're around, this person may want to carry your bags, help you in any kind of physical way where perhaps like physical strength is needed, and wanting to kind of be that gentleman for you, okay? We have intellectual and stimulating conversations. So perhaps you both are passionate about hobbies and interests, current affairs, okay? And I feel like this person really enjoys listening to what you have to say, listening to your opinion and listening to your views, okay? And I feel like the conversations that you may have, okay, or you both shared, it also allows that opportunity to challenge one another's thoughts, okay? And I feel like it's like this person may go, oh, wow, I never thought of it this way. Okay, again, that energy of the free, because the energy of the free is to expand, to grow. So you are bringing this energy of making this person think, making this person challenge themselves, okay, to think outside of the box, to just broaden their horizon when it comes to their perspectives in life. Ooh, wee. Your smile brightens up my day. So your smile brightens my day, okay? And this is the energy of seeing, those pearly whites, but you're bringing this sun energy about you, okay? This sun energy is here and it's here to stay. I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. Now, this energy has kind of shown up in all of the reads, pile one, pile two, and now pile three. This is because we see this energy of how they feel when they think about you, and we're looking into their higher self, and the higher self is also revealing this kind of feeling of worry, and it could be this feeling of worry of if they say how they truly feel, will that impact the relationship, will that impact the union that you both have, will you see them differently? Okay, perhaps have you already noticed those, they may have feelings, okay, through their body language, okay, but if they now say it verbally, okay, and perhaps if they don't, I feel like this person is also worried about bucking on their words, okay, or getting caught in their words if they don't say things in the right way, or perhaps when they do communicate how they feel, it doesn't come out in a clear manner, that it may create some kind of knots, okay. I feel like there's a worry of not in creating communicating in a way that's not clear, that's not clearly clarified for you to understand, that it might make them feel that they've kind of messed things up. Now, I feel like this person's strong energy in communication is non-verbal, okay, and perhaps they could be met more on the introverted side, okay. We have dazzling smile, dazzling smile. Again, that energy is coming through. Smile, the way you smile, the way you look, the way you make them feel, okay? A mesmerizing voice. So there's something about your voice that's very attractive, very appealing. I feel like it's also very calming, okay? And it's also making me want to, you know, make my voice very calming at this moment. But I feel like this is, again, it's the energy of the Empress coming through, okay? Because we are channeling that Empress energy, and that Empress energy is when it's upright, think of the tarot card, the energy of the Empress. The energy of the Empress is someone who is calm. Everything around her is calm. Everything around her is blossoming. Think of the message that's coming through. Think of a teacher's classroom, okay? And the teacher is the Empress, and the head teacher comes in. Let's say the head teacher, okay? The head teacher comes into the classroom to see the Empress, okay? Miss Empress in her classroom. And everyone is getting on with their work. Everyone is peaceful. There's like peaceful music playing, okay? All of the children are just having a fun, enjoyable time. They're all engaged with what they're doing, okay? And the Empress just says, yeah, everything's fine. I've got this, okay? It's all sorted, okay? And it could be that you are a supply teacher for that day, or a supply teacher for the week, but you come in, and you just get things running smoothly, and the head teacher's like just leaves and gives the thumbs up and just walks away, knowing that the children are in safe hands. It's a very calming and nurturing and loving environment, and there's a strong energy about this is how you make this person feel. This is how you make this person feel when they're around you. Like they don't have to worry about, they don't have to worry about their feelings when they're around you. Okay, like they genuinely feel good. Okay, they genuinely feel good when they're around you. But I feel like there is just that worry that they have, that if they do say how they feel, and if it's not mutual, can that mess things up? Okay, now I feel like this person is also not great with words. Okay, when it comes to matters of the heart, I feel like they're much better communicating how they feel, okay, through their body language. So I feel like the clues are recognizing their body language. Do they kind of always maybe awkwardly try to come close to you? Not perhaps this person is also, I feel like this, it could be a bit of self-awareness in terms of, or it could also, perhaps this person could be, introverted, but also could have some kind of there's a message of like ADHD, or I feel like this person perhaps could have some kind of like, just may not, just lack some kind of self-awareness in terms of their body language. But I feel like it's just not, they don't mean anything by it. I feel like it's just the way they feel. It's just they just want to be near. Okay, and I feel like they just enjoy your company, as well as your voice and how calming you are. Okay, and how you make them feel. Look at this. We have, I value your opinions and your insights more than you realize. Now, again, take the messages that resonate, because this could be anyone, a crush, a current love interest, it could be someone from your recent past. Okay, but there's a strong energy here that someone really value your opinions and what you have to say. Okay, we have, look at this, coming through, divine masculine to divine feminine, the DM to the DF. So let's see what the DM has for the DF today. Our separation really helped me to see that you deserve so much more. So this is a strong energy of someone from your recent past coming through. Okay, and I feel like this person could be recognizing, taking in, all that time to now reflect and realize that they had some growing to do. Again, it has fallen on pile three. Pile three represents that energy of growth. This person needed to, get on their grown energy. Okay, we're now dealing with grown people stuff. Okay, they needed to get into that energy, and sometimes being in the circle, it can be, it you can, if you're not in that energy of reflection and growth, it's hard to see where the growth is needed. Whereas when you're outside of that circle, okay, you can see more because you're not dealing with it. There's this way where people say, when you're out of something, you can see everything for what it is. This is what this person had to learn. Okay, this is what they had to learn. We have bookworm and avid reader. So again, I feel like this could be a strong introvert energy here. You make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. Now I believe this came through in pile two as well. This energy of like boring moments, you can make a way of making them feel, or they telepathically think about you. Okay, and you could be feeling their energy. You bring out a side of me that I didn't know existed. So again, this energy of feeling safe, an energy of feeling inspired, an energy of feeling that, wow, you challenge me and you make me want to grow, you make me want to learn more. You have a way of making me feel, look at this, it has come through. You have a way of making me feel safe and understood. So this is how you make them feel. You make them feel safe and understood. Your touch ignites a fire within me that I can't ignore. Okay, your touch, and it could be something really gentle, but I feel like it's just enough to ignite. Ooh la la. Okay, we have another message from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay, I want this love to work just like you do. So I feel like this person really hopes that you both feel the same and want it to grow. They want it to grow into something meaningful. They want it to grow into something beautiful. Okay, so let's have a look at the Jamaican Proverbs. Let's see what the Jamaican Proverbs want you to know right now. Okay, so what do they tell others about you? Can we have a message, please? We have, thank you. If you can't get turkey, you have to satisfy with the John Crow. Okay, so if you can't get the turkey, you have to be satisfied with a crow. Okay, so in the Jamaican style, if you can't get the turkey, you have to satisfy with the John Crow. Okay, if you can't get the turkey, you have to satisfy with the jankro. Okay, now this is about in relation to this scenario, okay, and what's going on here, and what do they tell others about you, and also how they feel, their intentions. I feel like there's a strong energy as well of this person enjoys your presence, enjoys being around you. But if it means that they have to just be satisfied with it just being platonic, okay, I feel like they'll be happy with that, okay? If it's something, perhaps if it's like it's not, the feelings are not mutual for it to expand more. But there's a fit what I'm getting is they want it to expand more, but if it's not, if it's something that you're not feeling, they're okay with that, okay? But they do want more, okay? We ain't gonna lie here, we know, we can see they want more, but they're going to be satisfied with what they have, okay? Because I feel like what the core message is that they enjoy your presence so much that they see you as an asset, okay? They see you as an asset. They see you as a quality asset, okay? Sometimes we don't always get what we want, so we must be thankful for what we have, okay? So abundance and love or abundance can come to you. So I feel like this is the energy of what this person sees you as, okay? You as a quality asset. You are still an abundance of joy, okay? Even if it's not a romantic, although they will hope for it to be romantic, they will hope for it to grow into something beautiful, okay? So let's have a look and see. Let's have a look and see what the tarot wants you to know. So for the collective who chose power 3, okay, reveal the tarot messages on how they feel. Okay, what do they tell others, or just anything you want the collective to know right now. Reveal the channeled messages from this person, okay, and it could be the person on your mind right now. What do they tell others? What do they tell others? What do they tell others? Now the message that's coming through is to sing the song. So we'll sing the song. Oh, I feel, yes I feel, yes I feel for you. Oh, I feel. We have the King of Cups. We have the King of Cups. Now, we're going to read it both ways, okay? But I feel like this is their energy. This is their energy. But I feel like the King of Cups in reverse is also revealing that they're not expressing how they truly feel, okay? The King of Cups represents that energy of really not, you don't feel no way. You don't feel no way to be emotionally open, to be emotionally available, to be emotional vulnerable, to express how you feel, to tell your loved one, to tell your love interest how you truly feel, okay? And express your feelings. This is how they feel, okay? But I feel like this person recognizes that, you know, it's something that they have to just be mindful of, and we can see that with the Jamaican proverb of being content with where they are, and if it's something that it's not mutual, perhaps also recognizing that, but also this feeling of I don't want to give too much away if it's not something perhaps this person doesn't want, but I can still love Jane as a friend, okay, if that's all she wants from me, okay. So we're gonna have a look into see what Jane wants as well, okay, because we have the Death here, we have the Death in reverse. So there's definitely an energy. It could be someone who wants to reconcile. It could be someone who wants to it wants to come back, okay, who wants to return. It could be an energy of someone not wanting this to go in a place where things are not growing, okay? So again, this energy of keeping things platonic or friendship. We also have, okay, so this is the Death card in the middle. We have the Hangman in the upright position, okay? Now this is this energy of someone being flustered, Okay, when it's in the upright position, not knowing what to do, not knowing what to turn. And perhaps this could be what they're telling others about how they feel, okay? And it could be also what others are noticing, that saying that we can see that you feel like you feel, and again, this strong energy about the body language. You see, like it could be something that they're trying to keep their self looking as cool as possible, but their body language is kind of giving it away. Okay, because we have here, look at this. We have the Five of Pentacles. Now, the Five of Pentacles can represent that kind of like energy of being left out in the cold. You know, it's like not having a home. Now, I feel like this is this thing that they worry, okay, is where the worries is lies. Like you, the Five of Pentacles here, this house represents you. It represents the joy in you. It represents that abundance in you. It represents everything about you. And I feel like this is something that they can worry about, thinking, I don't want to be left out in that position, you know, and perhaps if it's not mutual, then I'll just be at peace with it, okay? And I feel like that's something that they're kind of like telling themselves and telling others, that they'd rather be in peace with having you as a friend, okay, if you do not, but I feel like still be loving you from a distance, okay? Because look what we have here. Still loving you from a distance, but this is what they want. They really want to have this union work for the both of you, okay? So let's have a look now at Jane, okay? We're going to just look into Jane. Is this feelings mutual between you and Jane? Okay, is the feelings mutual between Jane and John, okay? Is the feelings mutual between Jane and John? The feelings mutual, okay, between Jane and John. All right, so okay, so we have yes. With the Five of Cups, there's the mutual energy is here. The both of you have this energy of not wanting things not to like. It's like this energy of not wanting things to kind of go sour. But look what here, look at when you're there dwelling on thinking how this might kind of lopside and just kind of flop. Look what's here, the Two of Cups. The Two of Cups represents that energy, okay? It represents that energy of togetherness. It represents that energy of coming together. It represents that energy of the soulmates. It represents that energy of exchanging, the exchanging of love, okay? The song that comes always channels through, okay, is John McLean, okay? And I feel like the two parties are both in that energy. Do you have a listen to that song by John McLean? Okay, it's a Lovers Rock. Okay, reggae, lovers rock. Now, lovers rock represents a form of reggae music where it just speaks to the energy of the heart, okay, the energy of the heart chakra, okay, and it's all about the love messages, okay, through reggae, okay. And the lyrics in the song is, if I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it up? Let's clear that throat. Would you tear it apart, or would you treasure it? Okay, so if I gave my heart to you, what would you do? Would you tear it apart, or would you treasure it? And I feel like this is the energy of that. Perhaps both of you are feeling this energy, okay? Wondering, okay, if you both shared how you truly feel, how would it both work out with you? So there's an energy of here, but that, look, you both want the same things, but you're both looking at this, thinking, oh, but what if we both say how we feel, okay? And I feel like there's a strong message of saying you have to come out of this energy. The both of you have to come out of this energy. Because look what we have here, the world. And we have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So I feel like the Nine of Pentacles in reverse is that energy as well, thinking, oh, you've built all that time. You've built all that time. And I feel like you both can be seeing it as like a 50-50. Now, I feel like that could be, look, what's here? I feel like this message is like everything is if everything is like a flip of a coin. Everything is 50-50. Okay, but an opportunity awaits you. Okay, and I feel like this could be what others are telling this person as well. The opportunity awaits you. You're not gonna know until you take that leap of faith and you ask. But look what the cards are telling us. We saw the Ace of Cups, we see the Four of Wands, we see the world. Okay, so there's a strong message of like, perhaps there's it's the kind of like that worry or feeling like, oh, maybe we don't feel the same way. Well, honey, yes you do. Yes you do. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that here. Okay, so you can see that. And look what this look. We have the Strength card. So the Strength card is telling us there's a song that's coming through. We're solid. Dun, dun. Solid as a rock. Okay, you're solid. There's a solid energy here. Again, everyone has intuition. To trust their intuition. Everyone has free will. So trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. Okay, but there's a strong energy here. Strong connection here. And the message is kind of really to really tap in to what you have. Be thankful. We saw that with the Jamaican proverb, okay? If you can't get the turkey, be satisfied with the John Crow. Don't dwell on that. Dwell on this, okay? Okay? So we're gonna like we're gonna keep that message every time we see the Five of Cups. Don't dwell on that. Dwell on this. Hey, don't dwell on that. Dwell on this. This is still here. This is gone. But don't dwell on that. Dwell on this, okay? All right. All right. Okay. Let's have a look now in some key tags. We're going to end this read with some love messages from the key tags. And we're going to see what wants to come through for the collective who chose channel 3. Channel 3? Rewind. Who chose power 3. What I was trying to say, and it came through power 3 and channeled messages. Okay. So that's telling me I need a sip. I need a sip of good tea, okay? Take a sip of some green tea. Now this one was quite a long read. So I will say for those who did choose pile 3, do have a look at pile 1 and pile 2 because there's a lot of messages here. Okay. So you are my rock, my love. You are my rock. Again, solid. Ooh. Solid as a... Ooh, wait, I just drank some juice, okay? Okay? But you get the drift. Solid as a rock, okay? If you know the song, put it in the comments down below. Thank you. Greatly appreciated. You are in my late night thoughts. You are in my late night thoughts. Our love is written in the stars. Our love is written in the stars. I'll always choose you. I will always choose you. This is kind of giving that proposal energy with the Four of Wands being here, okay? You make my heart skip a beat. You make my heart skip a beat. I value our connection, and I feel like this is the energy. They value the connection so much that they appreciate, whether it's platonic, whether it's romantic. But there's a saying that lovers make good. You build that foundation of friendship, okay, and it blossoms, it grows, okay. Our bond is unbreakable. Our bond is unbreakable. Our love story is my favorite. Your happiness means the world to me. We see the world here. Look at this. We... Your voice is my favorite sound in the world. Now this again, the message that came through did come through in song. You know, I feel, yes, I feel, yes, I feel for you. Yes, they do. You are. Look at these messages coming through. You are the love of my life. I'm ready to make things right. I'm ready to make things right. This could be someone who wants to reconcile as well. Okay. Will you accept my call? Will you accept my call? Someone wants to call you. Okay. You are my greatest joy. Look at this. This is, again, this is the energy that we've been seeing, okay, throughout the read. You are their joy. Okay. Others are recognizing that as well. How their face could be lighting up. How when they talk, when they communicate, they can see the enthusiasm, they can see the joy, okay, through their body language. I love you more each day. What a wonderful way to end the read. Ooh, they love you more each day. Ooh, collective, we want to say thank you very much. Okay, and take the messages that resonate. Okay, that's what we like to do around here. And wherever you go, just take the messages that resonate and leave. You have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay, but be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed. Okay, thank you for all your support, and do give us a thumbs up because it really helps the algorithm, okay, to know that there are people like you, generals, tea sippers like you, that enjoy content like this. And thank you for all your support, okay, and keep sipping, stay hydrated, and do have a look at all of the other readings available at Wagwan Tarenti. And if you have any suggestions that you would like to, any readings you would like to see, okay, put it down in the comments down below, okay? All right, see you on the next one. Wagwan.